Well, it is day one at the Tampa, Florida RV show. It's early, very early. We got in here a little before I think they're supposed to be here, so we're starting to poke around and open doors and go through some of the RVs. We're in the Alliance section, and yes, we are Keystone owners, but this year we're kind of looking at very different floor plans, and Alliance has got a very different floor plan here that we're going to take a look at. It is the 395 DS, and you see me, I had to look over there to see it, the 395 DS. So let's take a walk through this. Real quick overview. We're not going to open up every cabinet door or anything like that. We're just going to take a quick overview of the floor plan, see if it's something you might like. You might like it down the road, maybe something for you. But this one has two bedrooms. It's got a bedroom up front and a bedroom in the back, so it's something a little bit different than you see out on the road. When you walk in, got a bedroom up front, and then Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice shower, stand-up shower. Galley, L-shaped galley kitchen here with the insignia. Nice living room, dining room area. All right, one of the neat things about this one, and this is the different part, is the loft up top, and then when you get back here, you walk into another bathroom and another bedroom with a smaller stand-up shower, but still a stand-up shower and toilet on that. This is not a terrible floor plan, but it might be something that you might be interested in if you've taken around more people. So this coach would technically sleep would sleep 6 very comfortably, and especially if you're traveling with kids or something. This might be a coach that might interest you. So if you're around the area, take a look. All right, so continuing on our mission of new and different floor plans, we're in the Keystone area, and Keystone's got a new floor plan out this year that is got your e-bike carriers on the inside. So we got a little bit of a power issue this morning, so the refrigerator is beeping. But this one is a rear living room, and the slide, it's got double slides on the back, but on the rear living room slide, and I'm gonna push you in here. You got a door and a place to put your e-bikes and a rack to put your e-bikes on it. But this is in the new Keystone, Montana, and I'll get you the floor plan. We'll walk around to the outside and I'll show you the outside door that will get you into this. Also serves as an emergency exit. So you've got 2 exits on this rig. So, but yeah, typical rear living, just has an extra slide behind the TV for your e-bikes. Kind of a cool floor plan, something different.
So this is where you would access your e-bike storage in your slide.
Continuing on with the theme of something different that we've never seen. Y'all may have to let us know in the comments, but this is a Jayco Pinnacle we wandered into, and let me show you the kitchen, because we have never seen a kitchen design quite like this in an RV, at least. This is a mid kitchen. Walk around.
There's a TV on both sides.
TV on both sides. Got a half bath in the kitchen. Full size refrigerator. Go back this way. King size bed. And really nice. Oh wow, big shower. Washer and dryer. So yeah, something else very different from what we've seen.
You have room to seat 4 people at that table.
Yeah. So anybody that knows us knows that we love our Keystone, but we also love the Riverstone product as well, the Forest River Riverstones. We have found another unique floor plan for this year that's kind of new out, but this is the Forest River with the front office. So we're going to do a quick walk. It's got a center kitchen, front living, and then Donna will take you up front and look at the furniture.
It's pretty. So different than the grays.
And then behind the entertainment center.
Are you ready? Ta-da! This is big enough for 2 people.
You think we both could work in here?
Yeah. You're being within reach too.
Yeah. But this is I mean, we're both standing inside the office right here, and there's plenty of room. I mean, we could close the door if you needed to. Got a rollaway chair in here where there's plenty of room for another chair on this side over here. So, unfortunately, it's dark in here right now, but there's no power hooked up. We're still that stage of the show. There's no power yet. So, but yeah, this is really, really cool. It's got the insignia stove. Nice double kitchen, sink. What kind of pantry do we have?
Slide drawers.
Got slide drawers for pantries. Nice. Lots of storage up top. And look, they've
Nice
even got
deep.
storage under the steps there.
That is the thing with Riverstone.
Yeah.
They always have a drawer in their steps.
The nice Riverstone. Now we step up, and I'm assuming that this has got a roll-out tray on the back with the way that we step up. So this comes standard with your washer and dryer. Nice king-size bed. Plenty of room up here. This is cool. I could do this.
This is very nice.
Not that we're actually looking for one, but something that's kind of different and that's always intrigued us is a truck camper, a slide-in for the back of your truck. So we found a couple last year. We walked through them, and we were quite amazed at what you can do with one of these. So we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of a slide-in truck camper here, and see what we find. I have no idea. We haven't been into this one, so let's see what we find. This is actually pretty stinking amazing. It's got 1, 2 slide outs on it. There's eating area here. You can see the entertainment area here behind me. There's a bathroom here. I think there's a stand-up shower in here. Let's see. There is a full stand-up shower. What looks to be probably a queen size or a king size bed, RV bed. Kind of square, but some storage over there behind the glass. These things are actually pretty amazing at what you can do with this area. Refrigerator, more storage over here. It's actually pretty nice. Something different.